Hi guys, yeah, I got my delivery today. My 4 solar panels. This is one of them. Just show you. I'm gonna put them up. Just to quickly show you. This is what it is. Eco-worthy solar module. It's a lovely day today in the UK. I'm gonna hopefully put them up there. And yeah, so I'll get on with it and I'll come back later. Yeah, that's the front side of the solar panel. There's two there, but I got to unpack two more yet, so before I quickly show you that. They're pretty large panels, so I'm hoping they'll pull in quite a lot of power from the sun. Well, my brother has these, so he's doing alright with them. It's a lovely day today, so let's see what we get with this. Alright guys, yeah, I connected them up. One panel come broken, which I'm not happy about, so I've contacted the seller now, and I've spoken to Amazon about it too. So that's gonna now take a few days or a week or so to get the fourth panel now. But I've connected these three up, and it's charging fine. Well, at the moment it's giving me. Let me show you what it's giving me in here. Where are we? Okay. 164 input. I spoke to my brother about it, and he said, "Yeah, you're doing everything fine." And it's a lot of clouds out here now, so about a few minutes ago it dropped down to 60. It did, but each time the sun comes back out again, it jumps up to about 170. So it's looking good. What I'm gonna do now is go and install it now on the outbuilding roof, hopefully. So I'll come back. Oh, hi guys. Yeah, I've installed it all now. There's 3 panels there. The 4 panel, I did complain about it to the seller, and they're gonna get back to me. Amazon's gonna get back. Amazon always good anyway. They're gonna get back to me on this. So when that comes back, the 4 panel, I'll install that. At the moment, with the sun beaming down, I was reading 244 watts to 260. So yeah, would have been okay. Well, I just hope I had the 4 panel. I'm sure I could have got extra 60 watts on that. But as you can see, it's all proper secured now, and the cabling underneath is proper secure too under there, and you can't see it through there, to be honest. But yeah, I personally believe it's a job well done.